Am I the asshole for kicking out my brother, who our parents have previously disowned, because he told my now ex-fiance that I cheated 9 years ago? For reference, my brother Connor is 19, I'm 26, and my now ex-fiance Hunter is 28. Also for reference, already mentioned in the title, but my brother was kicked out when he was 16 because our parents snooped through his phone and found out that he was gay. Connor had a birthday last weekend, so he invited his friend over, and they were all about 18 to 22 years old. They were drinking and playing games. Hunter and I were about to head out to let them have the place to themselves when Connor asked if we wanted to join them. I initially refused because I felt like I was a bit too old to be playing drinking games. But he insisted, and Hunter thought it would be fun to act like college students again. We all got pretty drunk, and Connor had the idea of playing Never Have I Ever. A few rounds in, the statement Never Have I Ever Cheated came up. Now's a good time to mention that Hunter is really against cheating. His ex-fiancée cheated on him, and it emotionally wrecked him. And unfortunately, as a lot of dumb, immature 17-year-olds do, I cheated on my boyfriend of 5 months. It was a stupid mistake. He found out and understandably ended things. This was almost a decade ago. Obviously, I learned my lesson, and honestly, I look at that time with a lot of shame, and I haven't cheated on anyone since. Well, my brother knows this, so when I didn't drink, he said, "Hey sis, what the hell? You know you cheated on your ex. You gotta drink, girl." My boyfriend paused, looked at me, looked at him, and then just walked out of the room. I followed him and tried to tell him that it was a stupid teenage mistake, but he wasn't having it. Part 3. So like I was saying, I was playing Never Have I Ever, and cheating came up. Well, my brother pointed out that I cheated on my teenage boyfriend. And immediately after finding out, my current boyfriend broke up with me on the spot. I'm numb. I'm heartbroken. He was my everything and more. I still don't know how I'm gonna move on. Connor tried to apologize, but I feel nothing but sadness and emptiness. This morning, I served him an eviction notice. He begged and said that he did not mean to ruin my relationship. And he just didn't even think about what he was saying. Honestly, I can't even look at him right now. He ruined my life. After I raised and cared for him like my own, I feel so hurt. Am I being unreasonable?